Okay, so here we are having the topic of nitrogen. Before we start with this, working with a partner, discuss the bonding in ammonia molecule NH3, draw a dot and cross diagram of the molecule, give the shape of methane molecule, and discuss with partner why methane molecule is having this shape. So you are going to draw ammonia molecule as well as you are going to draw methane molecule, and you are going to send it to me, and then we'll discuss the other questions. Okay, for both of these, you are going for this ammonia, you are going to draw dot and cross diagram, and for methane, you are going to draw the displayed formula. Okay, the third part, the oxidation number of nitrogen can vary. Give nitrogen's oxidation number in N2, NO, and NO3 minus. Just try to work this out on your own. Okay, so these are the oxidation numbers. NO will be plus 2 because O is minus 2. NO3, this part which is there, I'm taking valency or oxidation number of nitrogen as X. Plus there are 3 oxygen atoms, valency of oxygen is minus 2. This is equal to, I'm going to write this as minus 1. So this is going to become X. Minus 5 is equal to minus 6 is equal to minus 1.
Actually, I'm not able to hear you.
X is equal to minus 1 plus 6. So this is going to give me plus 5. Okay, question number 4. Discuss with a partner which substance is acting as an acid and which is a base in this reaction. The reaction is HCl aqueous plus H2O water liquid. It gives H3O plus, that is hydronium ion, and plus Cl minus. So from HCl and H2O, which substance is acting as an acid and which substance is acting like a base? Yes, what is?
Because it's donating its electrons. It's a proton.
Okay, HCl will be acting over here as an acid because it is a proton donor, while H2O will be acting as a base because it is a proton acceptor. Okay. So this is about the fertilizers. You can just go through that page from the textbook. Okay, eutrophication. This is basically eutrophication that has occurred in surrounding water body. That is because here excess of fertilizer is used. This fertilizer is causing eutrophication. It's a very simple topic. You can just go through this page. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, now this is the next part, nitrogen gas. Why nitrogen is very less reactive? This is what we are going to discuss here. First of all, it is in group 15 of the periodic table. It's a non-metallic element. It is present to the extent of 78% in the atmosphere. It's a diatomic molecule N2. This is the bonding that is there. There is a triple covalent bond. Because of this strong triple covalent bond, it is very less reactive. Okay, the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So 3 electrons are getting bonded over here to achieve noble gas configuration. And because of this triple bond, it is very less reactive. Then under what conditions it is going to react? Lightning is the source where nitrogen and oxygen is made to react. So here nitrogen will react with oxygen in the atmosphere in presence of lightning, and it is going to form nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is further oxidized to nitrogen dioxide, NO2, that is nitrogen 4 oxide, and then this will combine with water and oxygen from the atmosphere. It is going to produce nitric acid. This is how nitrogen cycle is beginning. You are going to make a note of all 3 of these reactions. Okay, although it is less reactive, but because of lightning, it is made to react. this nitric acid will come down with rain, and it is going to form nitrate ions. This is further converted into proteins by plants, and this is how the nitrogen cycle begins. You are just going to take down all three of these reactions, and then we'll proceed ahead.
So do we have to take even the step 1, step 2, step 3?
Yeah, all three, these three reactions you are going to copy down. I'll just give you that.
No, so I mean that sentences also.
No. I'll make you write whatever is necessary. So
Okay.
explain the lack of reactivity. This is what we have explained. There are 3 steps in the complete oxidation of nitrogen. Which row table shows the correct change in oxidation number of nitrogen? This is what you are going to answer. And looking at the 3 steps, decide which option describes what happens to the nitrogen in each of the steps, whether it is oxidation or reduction in all 3 of these steps. Okay, so this is the part that we are going to do. I'm just going to make you write whatever is necessary. This is the title you are going to put, beginning of nitrogen cycle. Okay, first step is combination because of lightning, nitrogen and oxygen to give nitric oxide. Further oxidation to nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and then reacting with water and oxygen to form nitric acid. This nitric acid will come down. It will be absorbed by plants in the form of nitrates, which will be converted into proteins. Just take this down. You're going to answer all of these questions. Okay, so you are going to answer this part now. What will be the correct change in oxidation number for B part?
Sir, I've 79.
Okay, I'll see that. It is right here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So for this, you can see N2 here, the oxidation number is 0. That is becoming +2 in NO. Okay. And then +2 is becoming +4. So this is what is happening here. And then finally in HNO3, the oxidation number is +5. So for this part, the answer is going to be D. And then 0 is becoming +2, then +2 is becoming +4, and +4 is becoming +5. Okay, this is going to be, all 3 steps are oxidation, so therefore this option is going to be C.
Sir?
Yeah. Ask.
Sir?
What do you want to ask? Yes, ask me. Okay, ammonia and ammonium compounds. This is the reaction N2 plus 3H2 giving you 2NH3. This is basically manufacture of ammonia. And then ammonia will be converted into ammonium compounds, which will be basically used as fertilizer. Okay, it's an alkaline gas. It will turn red litmus into blue. And this is the bonding in case of ammonia. I have already sent you the link before for formation of ammonium ion before. So this is the structure. You are going to draw both of these diagrams. And this is formation of ammonium ion. I already sent you this link. You can go through that. And next part is basicity of ammonia, NH4 plus ion. It will react with water. It's going to release hydroxyl ions, OH minus. So therefore, it is going to be an alkali. Okay, it is a weak alkali because the dissociation is very less. Then there's ammonium salt. This is basically how it is. Ammonia is prepared in laboratory. Ammonium salt reacting with calcium hydroxide. It produces calcium chloride, water, and ammonia gas. This is the diagram that is there. Heat. It is heated. Ammonium chloride and calcium hydroxide solid mixture is heated. It is made to pass through calcium oxide to dry ammonia so that water vapors will get absorbed, and red litmus paper is going to turn blue. This is how ammonia is collected. You can see the test tube is inverted, showing that this gas is lighter than air. Okay, formula of ammonium ion is NH4 plus. Then discussion of bond angle in ammonia. Okay, this is the diagram that is there. Okay, the bond angle is not going to be exactly 109 degrees. It's going to be 107 degrees. You're going to take down all of these things and then we'll proceed ahead. We'll take down these things.